Now we turn our attention to theories of mass communication. This is part one of several parts, probably 3 or 4. Mass communication obviously involves the study of mass media, and more specifically the messages that the mass media generate, and the audience or audiences that they attempt to reach. Mass media studies also look at the effects that the messages have on these audiences. And those characteristics distinguish mass communication from interpersonal or small group or even organizational. Some generalizations we can make, and they probably seem very obvious to you, but we need to lay them down anyway. Communication does take place in the mass context. Mass communication involves public messages from organizational sources sent via media to large audiences. The mass audiences are comprised of many publics with separate response patterns. When we get to an overview of public relations theory, we'll see the theory of publics, which is very much the same thing as saying the theory of diverse audiences. Mass messages are diffused by a combination of both media and interpersonal sources. And all of these generalizations we'll be revisiting as we look at specific theories. One of the earliest models is very simple. This is a verbal model, not a pictorial model, not a structural model. But Lasswell said we can assess the mass communication context and situation by simply asking who says what, in which channel, to whom, with what effect. That's one of the earliest and simplest models that we have. Some observations. In the mass context, the audiences are large and heterogeneous.